Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you month of November's 2020's monthly forecast based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on moon sign. But you can watch this particular monthly forecast according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign as well. You can take this whole prediction according to your moon sign as well as according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign. This prediction have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction. So kindly take this prediction according to your moon sign or according to your ascendant sign or according to your rising sign. For all of you, based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on all, so the whole project is based on Indian Vedic astrology, all the task, precaution, chantings, all the information. Libra transit for this coming month of November. Transit of Venus in 12th house for Libra, 23rd October till 17th November. Your Lord planet Venus is in 12th house. When the Libra Venus is in the 12th house during transit, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 12th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transit in 12th house from your moon sign, this particular time period gives you a mixed bag of positive and negative. On the one hand, you'll achieve financial gain. On the other hand, you'll achieve financial losses, but not a financial loss, just huge expenditure on luxuries or lifestyle, but with your own will. But that's not a financial loss. Venus in 12th house gives you expenditure, but that expenditure you'll do it with your own will. You'll travel around, you'll enjoy thoroughly. And may I say that beware of cheating, deception and fraud. But people can try to cheat you because they think that you'll have a lot of money. Venus transiting in 12th house will give you enjoyment. If you're unmarried, you'll enjoy thoroughly. And you'll enjoy companionship. Friends will be very supportive to you, will give you a lot of cooperation, understanding. And beware of sharp weapons and doubtful people. If you're involved in any project and you're taking extra care, beware of any cheating, deception, fraud and financial losses, or something valuable can be lost. Transit of Sun for Libra in 2nd house, 16th November till 15th December. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 2nd house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house from your moon sign, is proved to be financially full of challenges for you. This particular period portends absence of expected result or profit in trade or decline in wealth or flow of income. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house from your moon sign, if you're dealing land, property, car trading, or finances, this period brings some setbacks. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house from your moon sign, when you are more susceptible to fear than usual, you feel at risk being cheated or experience anxiety for no apparent reason at all. When the Sun is transiting in 2nd house, as a result, you find it difficult to handle ordinary affair of your life as smoothly you would otherwise do. You find yourself not so happy and getting irritated very easily, even at your nearest and dearest one. You feel less compassionate and flexible than usual. If you're susceptible to headache or problem with your eyes, it's a time where the symptom may surface. You have to taking extra care of yourself. Transit of Venus in 1st house, 17th of November 2020 till 11th of December 2020. Venus transiting in 1st house, Libra. You come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 1st house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in 1st house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting in 1st house from your moon sign, this particular time period mostly signify material and sensual comfort for you. Companionship, luxuries, lifestyle. You expect a lot of hot and happening around you in the personal front. And if you're eligible bachelor, you'll find a companionship of your finest match. Some of you are also expecting arrival of the new member of the family. Socially, very, very finest period, meeting a lot of new people, new companion, beautiful people, enjoying the company to the fullest. You would be honored and your status will be risen. Heightened in the society, people will appreciate you. You'll achieve name, fame and establishment. You'll also get a plenty of opportunity to enjoy, but also indulge in exotic dishes, exotic things. This particular period of the Venus is transiting in your 1st house, you acquire luxurious items, valuable items to enrich your lifestyle. This particular time period will give you a rise in status, prestige around. Financially, you would be sailing through smoothly during this particular period. Your economic condition would also improve during this phase of time. If you're a student, this particular time period will prove to be very good period for you to succeed in your field of learning. You may also expect an annihilation of your enemies, and during this particular period, stay away from any kind of negative influences that might get a negative outburst on you. Beware of that. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out your Mars. Mars position is not very favorable for you. Venus positions definitely not. Venus is in 12th house, raise your expenditure. And Rahu Ketu can only obstruct your flow of income, your health, happiness and harmony, your matrimonial relationship issues. You have to be very, very careful and preventing any kind of a professional setbacks or financial losses or bad debts or issues regarding flow of income or health, happiness and harmony in your personal life or professional life. You must sort out your Mars, Venus, Rahu, Ketu. For that, you must acquire a full monthly horoscope report and implement the whole report in your month and do whatever you need to do to be done through task precaution chanting and learn about what the whole month is about and scan the whole report and implement the whole report. Learn about what is there and how you can handle it and make a strategy according to the report. Full monthly horoscope report. What you waiting for? Go to the website, acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement that. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.